On a farm so green under skies, so blue, a sheep farm adventure. Just for you with woolly friends and a shepherd's care. Let's sing and dance joy. Sheep farm fun where the meadows sway. Baa-baa melodies, join us today. In the fields we roam, fluffy and free. A sheep farm song for you and me. Counting sheep in the morning light, soft clouds of wool, oh what a sight. With a shepherd's crook and a gentle hand, we explore the farm map. Sheep farm fun where the meadows sway. Baa-baa melodies, join us today. In the fields we roam, fluffy and free. A sheep farm song for you and me. Woolly jumpers skipping with glee underneath the old oak tree. In the sunshine we play and sing. A sheep farm to let our voices ring. Moonlit nights with stars so bright, the sheepfolds calm and tranquil. Cycles your eyes, let dreams unfold in a sheep farm world, stories untold. Sheep farm fun where the meadows sway. Baa-baa melodies, join us today. In the fields we roam, fluffy and free. A sheep farm song for you and me. As the day ends and the stars appear, the sheep farm lullaby whispers. Near underneath the sky so vast, sleep tight, dear friends, the